Okay, this is just a quick video on an item which I've purchased, which is a very good price, and I'm going to do an unboxing, which I don't normally do, and it's from Vidaxl, vidaxl.com. Yeah, vidaxl.com, and it's a Dutch oven. But what it comes with is a little bit sort of different. You get what I mean? This is why I'm doing an unboxing, because I want to see exactly what you get in the box. Alright, because what I purchased is like for 38 quid. I'm like, really? So let's go for it. It's not been opened. I haven't looked. I don't even know what's in the box. I know what they said it comes with, and I'm thinking, all that for 38 quid? Really? I bought another pot, not like this one, but a while ago, called a Potjie pot, which is a South African cooking pot, and that cost me £79 just for the pot. Okay, all right. Now so far, so it comes with a bag. So this is a 5.5 litres. Sorry about the camera. So you get a carrier bag with it. Nice. Not bad. The zip does go further, that's it. You get the lid. My God, it's not cheap. But for 38 quid. Also, at the weekend I'll be doing a video on how to seal this, ready for cooking. Another piece of cardboard. So, I believe as well, you get a lid lifter. Ooh, tidy. I mean, some of these on eBay are really expensive. So that's a good quality lid lifter. So I'll just show you. Nice. And you should get now a pot stand as well. So if you're on the fire, let's just stick it directly on the coals. Yeah, that's well made. So you get your pot stand as well. That's impressive, I tell you. And then of course your pot. That's good quality stuff. And your bag with it, you've got looks like a reinforced base. So you got your pot stand. That's handy because the handle doesn't go all the way down. That's good because well, it's still going to get hot, I think. So, yeah, nice. I'll put a link in the description down below where I purchased this from, how much. I think they're on special offer at the moment. They're reduced from £58 to £38. Well worth a look. I've nothing to do with the company. I just found it myself because I need one. I will do a seasoning video on how to season it towards the weekend. So you're going to have to wash it, clean it, and I'll show you how I process it, what to go and how I do it, and go through it step by step with you. Yeah, so I'll put the link in below. Thanks for watching. Must have. So yeah, see you in the next vid. See you in the sealing vid. Take care. All the best.